Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we solve the question 11b of the section A of WASSCE 2026 core mathematics. We are to solve for x given this equation solution. Here we have the equation given as x on x plus 1 minus x plus 1 divided by 3x minus 1 is equal to 1 on 4. So the first step is to simplify the left hand side. The LCM is going to be the products of these guys. So we are going to have x plus 1 multiplying 3x minus 1. And so this guy is going to cancel out this guy. So we are going to have this multiplying the numerator. So that will be x multiplying 3x minus 1. Then minus here, this guy will cancel out this guy. So we are going to have this guy multiplying this. So we are going to have x plus 1 multiplying x plus 1. All is equal to 1 on 4. So we have to expand this guy, then we group like terms. So let's first write our denominator. That's x plus 1 times 3x minus 1. And so here, this will multiply this and this will multiply that. So we are going to have 3x squared minus x. And we have this guy multiplying this. So we are going to have minus out x squared plus 2x plus 1. All is equal to 1 on 4. Now let's distribute the minus sign. So we are going to have 3x squared minus x minus x squared minus 2x minus 1 all divided by x plus 1, then 3x minus 1 is equal to 1 on 4. So simplifying this, we are going to have 2x squared minus 3x minus 1 all divided by x plus 1, 3x minus 1 is equal to 1 on 4. So we now cross multiply. So this will multiply this and this will multiply that. So we are going to have 4 multiplying 2x squared minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 1 multiplying x plus 1, 3x minus 1. For the left hand side, we are going to have 8x squared minus 12x minus 4 is equal to 3x squared minus x plus 3x minus 1. Also here, these two guys are like terms, so that's going to give us 2x. So this is going to give us 8x squared minus 12x minus 4 is equal to 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. We now move this guy to the left hand side, and so we are going to have 8x squared minus 12x minus 4 minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. We now add or subtract like terms. So here we have 8x squared minus 3x squared. So that's going to give us 5x squared. Also, we have minus 12x minus 2x. So that's going to give us minus 14x. And lastly, we have minus 4 plus 1. That's going to give us minus 3. Then is equal to 0. Factoring this guy, we are going to have x minus 3 multiplying 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Thus, x minus 3 is equal to 0, or 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Thus, x is equal to 3, or x is equal to minus 1 on 5. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.